To the fort. The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Hoxie Foxy. Follow me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny. Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Pussy Goosey. New words. Nut, ouch, mat, I will, off, we are. Ready is fun. One day, a nut / the sky fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king, the cock, the sky what he saw. Who said these words in the story? Ouch, the sky is falling down. I must tell the king. The king lives here. Follow me. What happened to all the animals in the end? Let's listen. Funny Bunny, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, Pussy Goosey, Woxy Foxy. Da khazang zu ye dum di mutun tre chira. Konzo kha leso no Woxy Foxy bado leso. Konzo tu che konzo khala re gyoz du yi sanzu nam chayu du la ra. Da di jela konzo dila dash je do to the fort. Fort lan se dang ye khang ri do da de la ko chu sir. Konzo li de na den da red fort la do da ni da. On la ko sir ra. Ni The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Woxy Foxy. Woxy Foxy kordoa. Chidang Foxy lana de wamuturi kora. Ani you did a dus. Follow me. Ni jela shoas ni jidu chi shoale da jela shoale tra kongyen treche. And that was the end of Funny Bunny. Ani di khasa Funny Bunny ye tamachate res. Funny Bunny na dumdi ba. Dumdi tamachate res. Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Pussy Goosey. Dieta Funny Bunny chupu memba chera tamadi konsama ye tamachate res. The room de la joy also king de koi how watcher. The net sixer dinala nut. Nut lady diba. The namlaji taida. Cause the dridrit also nut thing so badam da the dridrit chura. The dridrit nut la chura. The net ouch. Ouch lady ones aradolea. The college pona aradea. The she was ouch lady. The net mat lady curry to the bare meat. Chasiro tu sabati. Then I am led do shakura. Katsikari do shakure. I am Didi Sidu Shakura. Then she I will lady Kari do shakure. I will then off the off lady chick do at la court and that la chick off the on the law sale at chick on the door coach. Then we are the Kari do shakure. We are lady shakura. The empty on the church. Then Tuotelena reading is fun. Lawyer di draw your race. Nala Karikangi Tuo was a doom that Tuoche. One day, Nimashi, a nut, the sky fell on Funny Bunny. Nimashila, Funny Bunny, Tola Karsare, Namsare, the nut, a nut, Tarlana, a nut fell on the Funny Bunny. Ra, did you? Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king, the cock, the sky, what he saw. ko khari thong shagyo di sulalani thore king lanani thora detail chedel who said these words in the story dum nalola chidin zu sugilares ouch the sky is falling down suilare funny bunny said ra kalandire funny bunny said these words mangsi chadera funny bunny said these words ra said thajare lapa dirta funny bunny said these words I must tell the king mangebar do kiula lago dole de suilare funny bunny lara again funny bunny said these lines the king lives here you de la di dole de suilare Woxy Foxy lara so Woxy Foxy said these words follow me ta nijela shoale di suilare Woxy Foxy lara so again Woxy Foxy said these words what happened to all the animals in the end tamadla khachires tamadla khonso khaladu khonsamata de la zor le di ngonso kharcheng mi se o khelamdo ra khoi jela shole ta ko wal go go siri karina chuse hakwas so khalandire what happened to all the animals in the end all the animals reached to king's place ra destinity da dine parcheche dine in the end all the animals reached lana disare ya sisaram and lana disara zowadla and let it cities limu make reached lana reached at king's place lana dire yana fort lades yehu isaja rushla ko isara de jorsa machine shi de jela karchi hakumda then let's listen ta manjuni was that dad rang ra konzo thadi raimir da sama ra bani koki loki henny penny pussy goosey woxy foxy ra raimi le dang ju sit konyu ra tagi dadi chipati